What's up with you guys? It's me, Anne Catherine, your Wanderlust Traveler, and welcome to my channel! If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now, and if you haven't watched my other videos, go ahead and watch now, and don't forget to like each video, like support sister! And right now guys, hindi travel videos or travel topics ang gagawin nating sit-down video, kundi about beauty. So I am a very fan of beauty products, especially skincare products. It's been a long time that I haven't shared with you guys my updated skincare or ano bang mga pinaggagawa ko ngayon sa aking mukha. And now I am so excited to share with you guys that I am so happy that I am now the new Althea Angel. Yeah. So ngayon guys, I am so excited to share with you and announce with you that I am chosen, or I have been chosen to be part of the Althea Angels. It's an ambassador for Althea Korea, which I adore so much. Kung hindi nyo pa alam guys, before ako naging Althea Angel, bumibili na ako ng mga Korean products sa Althea Korea kasi dito sa Thailand mahirap hanapin yung mga Althea products. I mean, mahirap hanapin yung mga Korean products. So the easiest way to buy and to find those amazing Korean products is from Althea Korea. And if you haven't watched my first video about Althea Korea, na before pa ako naging Althea Angels, go ahead and watch now. The link is up here. So yeah, and it's such a good thing, you know. So ngayon guys, I am so excited. Aside from being excited to share with you that I am now the new Althea Korea ambassador, or Althea Korea Althea Angel, I am so happy to share with you guys their welcome gifts for me. Diba? Feeling so special. I feel so special because charot. Anyways, so ayan guys, tumating yung aking Althea box welcome gift. Ayan o, Althea box. Welcome gift no last week, April 18, I think 18 or 19. But right now it's April 20, I'm not sure. April 23. Ngayon ko lang siya bubuksan kasi nga daming ganap, guys. Hindi ko magawan-gawa ng video. Ayoko namang i-open yung box na to without making any first impression or unboxing with the first impressions. I hope you get what I meant. So, ayan guys, let's open the welcome gift from Althea Korea. Actually, guys, I already watched all the videos in YouTube, other videos in YouTube, that what they receive from Althea Angels as Althea Korea, as Althea Angels, yung mga welcome gifts nila, they receive like a mirror, like a pouch, facial wash, but I think my gifts inside is a little bit different and a little bit the same. Yes. So, yan. Huwag na tayong masyadong satsat at buksan na natin itong box na to. Actually guys, excited na talaga akong i-open siya. Kasi na, excited na akong i-open siya nung dumating siya. Pero gusto ko talaga siyang gawa ng unboxing video na first impression. Yan. Sa mga hindi pa alam kung ano yung Althea Korea, guys, Althea Korea is like an online website na nagbibenta ng mga Korean products. But, ngayon, mayroon na rin sila sarili nilang own products. They're making their own products also. Eto na yung box! Tcharan! May kasama siyang bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Ayan, I hope nag-i-enjoy kayo sa mga walang kwenta pinagsasabi ko, no? Yan! And this is the box. Oh my God! Ang ganda niya, guys. Ang gustong-gusto ko talaga sa Althea Korea, guys, is yung nag-e-effort talaga sila sa box nila. Kaya, ang ganda ng box. So, dahil isa na ako sa mga Althea Angels, yung box na na-receive ko is Althea Angels. Exclusive only for Althea Angels. Yes. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala. If you're not an Althea Angels, yung mga box din nila is magaganda din. So, yes. Ah! I'm so excited to open. Sabay-sabay natin i-open. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my God, may nahulog. Pupulitin ko mamaya. Oh my God! Oh my God, ang ganda! Parang marami ako nakikita sa loob. Actually, guys, napanood ko na yung mga ibang Althea unboxing ng mga welcome gifts. And alam ko na talaga kung anong laman. But yung to see it personally, like, OMG. Like, oh my God. So, pulutin ko muna yung nahulog. Ayan, meron silang pa-love letter sa atin, guys. Okay. Ito yung harap. Ang cute nung ano, paper. Special paper. Or cardboard. Yun, pink. O, diba? So, hello, Angel. Welcome to Althea Angel's Beauty Ambassador Community. A heaven for inspiring and talented beauty reviewers to gather, have fun, and talk about all things K-beauty. In the coming months, we'll be lining up fan-filled activities. Woo! Sana meron na silang yung gustong-gusto ko talaga yung mga yung events ng mga brands, like ginagather nila yung mga ambassadors nila in a trip. Oh my God, sana may ganun, no, in the future. Ayan, yun. Sneak peeks and giveaways for our angels to join, so keep your eyes peeled on the Althea Angels Facebook wall. It's where all the magic happens. Char. And we hope you like your welcome gift. It has a little surprise for you. Thank you for becoming our angel, and we look forward to seeing all your beautiful content as our beauty ambassador. Ooh, thank you. P.S. Share your happiness in Althea Korea, Althea Angels with hashtags. From the head of creative communication, Miss Tammy Liam. Oh my God! Hi, Miss Tammy! Naririnig ko to. Naririnig na. Naririnig na papakinggan. I'm not sure. I've heard a lot of YouTubers out there or videos out there mentioning the name of Miss Tammy Lim. Hindi ko akalain na siya pala yung head of creative communication. Akala ko lang siya, parang broker ng mga broker ng mga influencer to have a sponsorship deals with Althea. Now I know she's the head of creative communications. Hi, Miss Tammy Lim. Thank you so much. So, okay, let's open now the box. Okay, pakita ko muna sa inyo, guys, yung front niya. Ito yon. Ang ganda. It's baby blue. Spread your wings, char. Diba? Spread your wings with Althea. So, meron sa ating welcome gift. Alam ko na meron talagang ganito. Kasi nakikita ko na yung mga video sa YouTube na nag-open sila ng kanilang welcome gift. So, yan. But to personally have it, like saw it and hold it, it's so pretty. So, una is itong pouch. It's like a beauty pouch. Oh! Iba yung nakita ko sa last because yung ibang nakita ko para siyang ito yun yung akin. Spread your wings. Tapos meron siyang parang transparent dito. And then, wow! I love that it's like a folded thing here. Kasi mas marami kang ano ba yun? Malalagay sa loob. Meron din siyang parang mini packet here. Para lagyan ng mga kung ano-ano. Siguro this will be my skincare pouch. Kasi mas mahilig ako sa skincare kaysa makeups. Yes. So, yung iba kasi nakita ko sa welcome gift, yung bag nila is para siyang, I'll just put it here. O, diba? So, kakaiba siya. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty! Oh my God. Gustong-gusto ko siya. Okay. Ang cute. Okay, next. Meron ding pa-mirror. Alam kong mirror to. Hindi dahil sa na-open ko na to dati. Dahil sa nakita ko na nga yung ibang video sa YouTube. Kaya alam kong mirror to. At saka, ang alam ko puti din to. O, diba? But to see it personally, oh my God, ang lit nga niya. I'm not sure if you can see. I'm not sure if you can recognize. Kasi sa video, sa ibang mga unboxing ng welcome gift, parang siyang malaki. Kung sa camera, tingnan nyo, parang malaki siya tingnan. Pero personally, maliit pala siya. Ito lang siya sa kamay ko, guys, oh. Oh my God. Hindi ko akalain maliit lang pala siya. As usual, meron din diyang spread your wings, angels. Diba? And what I love about this mirror, kasi, napapasok daw siya sa mga pouch. Yung last watch ko ng video na ibang pouch, napapasok talaga siya. And dito malamang mapapasok kasi malaki yung pouch, no? So, then, maganda din yan yung mirror kasi kitang-kita mo talaga lahat ng imperfections ng mukha mo. Sobrang clear at saka sobrang, oh my God, nakikita ko talagang buong mukha ko sa mirror. Kasi may mga ibang mirror, guys, na ito yung setup nyo, guys. May ibang mirror kasi, guys, na para siyang kakaiba. Pag tinignan nyo yung sarili nyo sa mirror, yung mukha nyo na, yung parang tawag doon, nasi-stretch ng pag-ganon or pag-ganon. May mga mirror na ganon. Pero ito, perfect. Yan. So, I'm not sure, guys, kung nagbibenta din sila nito sa Althea, Korea kapag hindi ka Althea Angels. Yun lang hindi ko sure. Ito. But, ito na yung mga products na excited talaga akong makita. So, this is their own products. List 3. Ano ba yan? These 3 products here. Okay, open na natin. Actually, guys, nung bumili ako dati sa Althea, Korea, meron akong parang travel size na mga product na to, pero hindi ko ginamit kasi hindi ko magets kung ano. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Hanggang ngayon meron pa siya. Wait. Itong travel size niya. Meron ako, last year pa to. Itong fixer cream. Yan. Yan, fixer cream at saka itong contour cleanser. Yan, contour cleanser. Ito ang kanyang travel size. I'm not sure if it's a travel size or a tester size. I'm not sure. Hindi ko siya nagamit for the reason I actually don't know what is this. Sinasabi kasi niyang contour cleanser, primer, water, fixer cream. I don't know what they're meant for fixer cream. Akala ko ano siya. Primer. So, parang, So, parang hindi ko magets. And then, itong contour cleanser, I thought it's like, pag after contour, nagki-cleanse. Ang baba mo, ma'am. So, ngayon, alam ko na kung ano talaga tong mga product na to. Dahil ni-review ko talaga kung ano talaga to. So, let's start with the yung full package talaga ng contour cleanser ito. I'll make also a review, in-depth review of all these 3 products, guys. Yung contour cleanser, it's Bare Essentials. Yung products ng Althea, Korea, the name of their product is Bare Essentials. So, the Bare Essentials, they have contour cleanser. It's actually a facial wash. Now I know, diba? It's actually a facial wash. And the next one, after cleansing your face, the next step is your toner, which is, akala ko, itong primer water nila is primer, makeup primer, na na-confuse talaga ako kung primer siya, tapos water, paano mo siya gagamitin? I'm so confused. Then I just realized, it's a toner, guys. So, this is the primer water. So, buksan natin. So, ito ang kanilang toner. The tag is primer water. Ito ang kanilang toner. And, yeah, let's talk about the packaging first. Gustong-gusto ko yung packaging niya. It's so simple. It's like, it really comes with the name Bare Essentials. Like when you say bare, there's not much of it, so it's really bare, and I love the packaging. And hindi pala siya, ang tawag doon, hindi pala siya glass bottle. I think it's a plastic bottle. Yeah, it's a plastic bottle, and okay lang yung laki niya. It's actually 200 ml, and itong Contour Essential facial wash, it's actually, hindi ko alam. Wala siyang ml. It's 150 gram. I hope that's it. And then, it's so bare. And it really gets its name bare. So, yes. So, para siyang, hindi siya watery substance. Para siyang medyo may pagka-sticky substance. Yes. So, ang kanilang moisturizer is this fixer cream, which I thought it's like yung after makeup, yung after mong makeup to make your makeup fix and it will last long. Diba nagsispray kayo? Setting spray yon. Akala ko ito yon. So, I'm just confused. If it is the setting spray or setting cream, how can you set a makeup kung basa? Diba? So, then I just realized na itong fixer cream is a moisturizer pala, guys. Nakakaloka! So, let's open this fixer cream or the moisturizer. Tcharan! Oh, it's so bare. This, talaga, yung kanilang cap, guys, it's like an industrial, classic vibe for me. Na meron ding logo ng Althea over here. Ayan. It reminds me of like an industrial, tawag dun, industrial something na hindi siya modernized. Modernized in a way na industrial. Basta, it gives me a feeling of that, a vibe of that. Gusto ko din itong lalagyan ng kanilang moisturizer. Okay, ito na yung kanilang Bare Essential 3 steps or 3 product set. Guys, meron ka ng facial wash, meron ka ng toner, and then meron ka ng moisturizer. So, magkano ba ang set na to? Let me check. Okay, guys, ang set na to, guys, is 837 baht. So, Thailand baht. So, if you're confused why I'm saying it in baht, because I am in Thailand. So, ika-convert ko na lang sa pesos at USD dito. Yon, Very Essential set. And then, guys, itong mga products nila is good for all skin types. They claim that it's really good for all skin types. So, I'm gonna use this product, guys. These 3 products. And let's see the effects of it in my skin, kung may nagbago ba, kung nagustuhan ko ba, kung ano bang comment ko dito. So, yeah. So, I will test this maybe for a week or 2, then I'll get back to you.